Can you learn English only by using your mobile phone, or you need to join online or offline classes? You might have asked this question to yourself but couldn't find the answer, so you should watch this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Kavya. So in this video I will share with you, can you learn English only by using mobile phone? Yes or not? With my real experiences and what I did. So friend, if someone had asked me this question 1 year back, so I would probably have said no, but now my answer is completely different. So yes, you can learn English only by using your mobile phone. Your mobile phone can be your best teacher. So see friend, we use our phone 1 hour, 2 hour, even some people use 4 hour, 3 hours, 4 hours in a day. So it totally depends on you how you use. Mobile phone can either waste your time and it can change your life. So it totally depends on you, right? So I'll tell you my story. When I was not into learning English, 1 year back, I was not into learning English. So I was wasting my time scrolling reels and watching YouTube shorts and nothing doing to improve myself. But one video completely changed me, and the video was from Dehati Madams, English with Dehati Madams. I saw her video on my YouTube feed and started watching. I didn't believe that villager can speak English, but I thought let's try it. Then I started working on my communication skills, and now I can say I completely changed myself. Yes, I haven't achieved so many things in my life, but if I compare myself with my past version, so I always find myself better than I was yesterday, right? So whatever English I know, whether I don't know whether it is good or bad, I speak good English or bad, but uh, I can convey my thoughts in English. This is big deal for me. This is big things. Yes, I know spoken English is not rocket science, but living in a village having no English environment, it is a big deal. So if you think you can't learn English, you can't speak English only by using mobile phone, then you are wrong. You can, if I can do it, so you can too. So start your journey from now. I also used to think about this question. It always uh, run in my mind. I always used to think, can we learn English only by using our mobile phone or not? And if you also think, then don't think, because only by thinking you can't improve yourself, right? You have to do it. So start doing. If I used to think, can I able to speak English, can I learn English only by using mobile phone, I would never ever improve myself, right? So don't think, start your journey. So what I did, I used to consume lot of English content when I started my journey. I used to watch video, read, learn grammar and vocabulary, daily use sentences, and I used to consume lot of English content. So that's why I'm able to speak. Yes, I need to improve myself, because learning never ends, right? So start consuming lot of English content and watch, read, learn grammar, daily use sentences, vocabulary, right? Then after, if you start from now, then after 1 year, when you see yourself, you will find better version of yourself than you are earlier. Learning English is not a rocket science. It is a skill, right? And any skill can be learned. So if someone is around you, tell that we can't learn English only by using mobile phone, then share this video to your friends and a person who says this. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And see friend, it is showering, so the weather is cloudy, and see around me there is a green tree. So I'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.